Hello everyone, this is Donovan with Turbo Details. Welcome back to the channel. In this video we have mainly just a vacuuming video on a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. But at the end we also do have some insight on some of the products we use and how we organize them. So guys, please just remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll talk to you in a little bit. Thanks for watching. So just a little behind the scenes fact for you guys. This is one of our maintenance customers, so it's not as extensive of a job, and that's mainly the reason we didn't get so much footage. Unfortunately, we were never able to do a loaded interior on this car, or else we would have filmed that. They just stuck with a standard the first time, and then the maintenance every 3 months. And we were supposed to do exterior as well, but their schedule didn't really allow for that the day we filmed, so maybe that'll be another video in the future. Now, as you can see here, I'm using the lily brush to get up any dog hair or human hair or whatever kind of anything really that's embedded in the carpet. It really saves lives, especially when you're not doing a loaded interior. It pretty much does a transformation on any, fur-filled or hair-covered carpets. It really is like magic to me. It's just like a rubber thing wrapped around a plastic thing. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm just going around and vacuuming as I'm brushing, and that usually works pretty well. It's relatively efficient too. So here's the bucket I was talking about earlier in the video. Here's Aaron holding it up. We just put a wraparound bottle holder on it, and I'm going to explain all the different products. So right here we've got our leather conditioner from Lexol. That goes on after the leather cleaner, which will be shown later. This is Goo Gone. Kinda everyone knows what it is. It just gets the tough stuff off. It works very well. Interior or exterior. This is Glasstastic. This is like a perfected formula for glass cleaner. It's very effective and it leaves no streaks whatsoever. Here's our purple super clean degreaser in a bead maker bottle. Bead maker's just a hydrophobic thing, but we like the sprayer from it. And finally, here is the Lexol cleaner. This goes on with a bristle brush, and we wipe it off before putting the conditioner on. So yeah, that's our bucket setup. And we keep the all of our clean microfiber rags inside the bucket before every job. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.